Should be good times. Hopefully get some good video. Enjoy the show. All right, Friday. Just after Veterans Weekend. Look how fucking dead it is. We got some cars out here. Not a whole lot. Look at this shit.
Did you really? Did you really?
Yeah, because I stepped on the fucking and there's no brake.
Yeah.
Beautiful right now, guys. Weather kind of rolling in right now. It ain't hot. Got a little bit of wind. It's not fucking bad. But we're out here all alone. Kind of like it, you know? Oh, you're gonna oh, you wanna oh, Travis?
You gotta roll on your side.
You, hey.
What the fuck? Put your arm up here.
She's hugging your face, dude. Like Pug.
She acts like she's heavy. She's light as fuck, dude.
Hey, don't be showing off that you can hold her up there.
I don't know how to do it.
She gotta put her leg up. There you go. Hey, picture.
It smells like tuna.
Hey, you ain't getting no pussy, dude.
Alright.
Hey, he's gonna be walking around all crippled, dude. Broken belt, the Pro R, and we got shenanigans going on. Denise is gonna roll down this hill. Oh shit, she's going for it.
Oh my god.
This is one way to take up the time. What a good, she has good method.
Yeah.
That was good method. Hey, you know what the worst part is? Coming back up this bitch.
My vertigo. Oh my god. It's not good. Oh my Jesus.
That's one way to fucking end a belt break right there. Instead of drinks. We got fucking little mechanic alpha right now. Just not letting anyone have any fucking tools. Because he's fucking mechanic alpha right
I don't
now.
know if you can get it out, Nick.
McAlpha. McAlpha. That's the first for me.
McAlpha, dude.
McAlpha.
Fucking.
Flamus Mafia with the 5 fucking strings.
Hey, you know what I found easy?
Somehow it's
Hold on. Travis,
Mine
you know,
came out easy.
that little aluminum plate, it's a T40.
He's got it.
I take that back. Motherfucker got that shit.
Hey,
Hey.
you just bought a Pro R, homie. Don't try to act like you know what you're doing.
Hey, use my little Temu blower and blow that shit out, dude.
Oh yeah, for sure. Blow it
Look at all the pieces.
Yeah, it's wrapped around the clutch too in there. It's hot as fuck though.
You need dikes? All right. Fucking blow this bitch out. Look at all this bullshit in here. You got to cut that out, huh? All right. Try not to focus on Travis's bald spot, but
But it's hard to
yeah, there's a pair of dikes if you need it, buddy.
Well, Dennis won't stop fucking with it.
Well, we're yanking the string out there, right there.
Well, I was thinking if I open it up with the tool, then you'll be able to pull it all out.
Open the clutch.
Yeah. Why do they give you such a little shorty, dude? Why not have something a little bit longer, dude? The story of my life, homie.
Hey, Razor, answer some fucking questions right now.
Public safety announcement, dude. Your fucking shit sucks.
We're talking remove the fucking back seat, the back fucking panel, and then we can get to this bitch.
At least it ain't hot.
Oh, look at it. He thinks he's all fucking bad with his extension on there, dude.
I can't hold it. Ah,
Daddy, is that hot?
Daddy, it's so hot. Daddy, it's so hot.
Change the video to the girls.
There's the real daddy collars right there.
Look at this
Oh, fucking yo-yo,
Look at
dude.
this fucking fuckery, dude. Can you, if I spin it, can you see, is there more shit in there?
Yeah, there is. Go a little more.
This way?
Other way. Right there.
There you go.
I think that's it. Let me see.
You need me? You want me to get a good light?
Yeah, all I have is my phone. So. Yeah, it looks good over here.
You don't see nothing?
Not on this one. It
Okay,
looks
well
clean.
your primary's fucked. We gotta work on that one now. Oh yeah, she's fucking. She's wrapped. I think this is.
It's coming out. Now look at that, dude.
That's most of it.
You want to blow that bitch out?
This motherfucker's got some GPMs, dude, or CFMs,
I swear he
whatever.
wakes up, hits the stash. real quick.
CFMs, dude. God damn, hey, this in a fucking can, dude. You can put out any
my
fire
wife's
you
titties.
want. Just
Go
clear
back
the
to
house.
camp, dude. We need that for boobs.
Okay.
Alright, what are we doing?
Where's the fucking belt?
Lost it already. Got it.
It's on the roof.
Nope.
It's on the roof.
Okay, make sure we're going the right way.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clear. It's hot.
Travis, the old fucking Tubi traps are going to be seeing your fucking bald spot on top of your head.
That's
Sorry.
those dikes right there.
Fuck. I don't know which way is best.
You gotta read the writing. Gotta be able to read the writing. Yep,
Get my spectacles.
spectacles.
Daddy, push it. Don't smash your fingers, bro.
So hot. Fuck.
You're almost there, Daddy.
Go, Daddy.
You're almost there, Daddy.
Daddy. One more inside that one. Oh yeah, that's it.
See, I'm riding high. Kinda broke the ceiling, y'all. So all I got is fire. I got fire. Player, give me some brew and I might just chill. But I'm the type that like to light another joint like Cypress Hill. I still do these spit loogies when I puff on it. I got some bucks on it, but it ain't enough on it. Go get the S-T-I-D-E-S. Nevertheless, I'm hella fresh, rolling joints like a cigarette. So fast it cross the table like ping pong. I'm gone, beating my chest like King Kong. It's on, wrap my lips around the 40. And when it comes to getting another stogie, fools all kick in like Shinobi. Homie ain't my homie to begin with. It's too many heads to be. Probably let my friend hit bit. Unless you pull out the fat crispy $5 bill on the real before it's history. Cause fools be having them vacuum lungs. And if you let them hit it for free, you hella dumb. Da-dum-dum. I come to school with a Taylor on my earlobe. Avoiding all the flick teasers, skeezers, and weirdos. Got me throwing off the land like where the bomb at. Give me $2, you take a puff and pass my bomb back. Suck up the dank like a Slurpee. The serious bomb will make a nigga go delirious like Eddie Murphy. I got more growing pains than Maggie. Cause homie snagged me to take the dank out of the bag. Take sacks to the face whenever I can, don't need no crutch, I'm so keyed up to the joint be burning my hand. Next time I roll it in a hamper to burn slow, so the ashes won't be burning in my hand, bruh. Hoogies get hit, but they know they got a pitch and bent. I roll a joint that's longer than your extension, cause I'll be damned if you get high off me for free. Hell no, you better bring your whole split, chief. What's up, don't babysit that? Better pass the joint. Stop hitting cause you know you got asthma. Crack the 40 open, homie, and guzzle it. Cause I know the weed in my system is getting lonely. I gotta take a whiz test to my P.O. I know I feel cause I done smoked major weed, bro. And every time we with Chris, that fool rolling up a fat.
Oh my god.
All right, review. Dennis just drove the Pro R. He has the Turbo RR Mavic
Maverick R. XRS.
Maverick R. XR fucking chingon.
Yeah.
All right, so
Don't
He
mind
just
the
drove the
girls in
Pro R.
background peeing, dude.
oh yeah, look at they're back there. We got the PP10 up. No big deal.
Yeah.
All right,
Taking the lead.
Biggins, you just drove the Pro R. What do you got?
Okay, so amazing. Low end power. They're like fucking crazy.
Like a 4-stroke.
Fuck yes. The suspension, better than my car.
Better than the fucking-
Can-Am. But
Okay.
I got 1,100 miles, clapped out, needs new springs, needs to be just complete suspension overdone.
Jim has 63.8 miles right now.
69, bro.
4 years old
It's between
already.
6 and 7 for all the kids out there. They fucking be happy about that shit.
Power-wise, amazing. More than enough power. Steering, incredible steering. Visibility's incredible. The seats are way better than what I got, the stock seats.
They are upgraded. They have the Simpson seats.
Yes, vision out the back is much better than the Can-Am.
How about the cornering? Cornering compared to Mavar.
Cornering,
No.
I'll tell you what, that
No.
oh shit button, next level.
Just remember, this is a 4-seater. You got a fucking 2-seater over there.
And
True.
we just rode through the big dunes.
Okay.
And if I wanted to, I could have left all of you behind.
Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
Not even.
He was being nice.
Not even joking around.
And I thought I was hauling ass, but he got more in him.
Yes. Not
Yeah.
even joking around. That car is amazing. It drives through these big dunes, incredible. The suspension, that thing, that oh shit button is just next level. You see a bump coming, you hit it, and it's just crazy. A lot of heat coming out from under. You got.
You're safe. You're safe. We got you. We're here. I'm on fire. Okay. It's all right. You're not on fire. I knew it. You're lying. I'm fired. There is no fire.
Fuck.
With that windshield.
That is the biggest complaint on these Pro Rs.
Got super hot, but not. I mean, if that's one give up, oh well. I wouldn't mind it. In the wintertime,
It's beautiful.
It's gonna serve you well.
Yeah.
Summertime or like hot days right now, early on the season, big deal. We can take that windshield off with a couple screws and it's gone. That's an easy fix.
It doesn't fix the sand.
Visibility, yeah. We're out here in this small chatter after all this bullshit last stupid ass Camp Razor, and all these people out here just making all this chatter, and it flew through that stuff like butter. This car, amazing.
So if you had to go back, we got the Turbo RR X, whatever the fuck it is, Chingon, Mavar. Are we talking Pro R? Are you a believer? It's hard. There's plus and minuses, right?
In the big dunes, 100% that thing. Small dunes, medium dunes, that thing. I think, and I'll judge it more after I get the suspension done by shock therapy.
Okay.
I got to get that done here pretty quick. But this thing, like I said, I could have left all of you behind and you would have never found it. I was having so much fun. The stock stereo in this thing is incredible.
All right.
And
Hey,
Polaris.
are we hearing this, Razor? We're talking. This is stock suspension, all that shit. The only upgrades on this thing is one fucking ball joint on the right side, the passenger side, because we broke that last trip.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for my other shit. It hasn't come in yet, but we're gonna fucking upgrade this
I
shit.
drove Travis's 4-seat, the 2-seat Polaris right before that. His Matt Pro R, same thing. That thing. If I had to give a nod, I'd give the
Dennis
nod
signs off
nod
on
to
this
Pro
shit.
R.
He signs off on the Pro R.
He
was a Razor guy before he got the Can-Am.
I've had 2 Razors. I had an Arctic Cat.
Gay.
I had
Don't talk about the Arctic Cat.
Yeah.
Okay, let's not mention that again.
Around for 100 years.
That thing was fun as hell. I had a X3 and now the Mavar.
Which my son has your X3 and he
Yeah.
fucking loves it, dude. That thing's fucking bad.
Man, I'll tell you what.
Hey,
And I even
okay, cut.
Cut.
Oh, cut. All right, Mavar.
Yeah.
All right,
Mavar. Mavar
I
versus.
just drove this fucking 2-seater.
Okay.
And goddamn, man.
He calls them juice eaters, by the
It's
way,
a two-seater
YouTube.
Because when you have a family of 4 or 6,
That's gonna get eliminated.
you cannot buy a 2-seater and expect to bring your family out here and then just throw them in other motherfuckers' cars. That's a juice-seater right there. But I just drove this fucking Turbo RR.
Okay.
No, wait, is it Turbo RR?
No, XRS.
X.
Let's to get this
Yeah.
down. Let's go 4 categories, like speed, suspension, steering, tuning, something like that.
Speed is fucking awesome.
Okay.
It's like a 2-stroke.
You feel
That's the best way. I can
You
explain
waiting
it.
for that turbo to get
That's
in.
a fucking 4-stroke. That's a 2-stroke. When that fucking thing kicks in, holy shit! Hold the fuck on.
Yeah.
The shifting is different.
Okay,
I've
so
never
you felt
experienced
it
that
too.
before. Oh yeah.
You
was
felt
like,
it shifting
It
up,
was like lag,
shifting down.
and then gone.
Yes.
It was like lag, gone.
It'll punch you off the top of a
Yeah.
dune if it downshifts and
It
the turbo
downshifts,
kicks
that
in.
Turbo kicks
fucking
in, and it's
see
like,
you later.
see you later, bro. The suspension, I thought it was really good.
I thought it was
The
good.
brakes
Shit.
is
Much to be
different.
desired on the
Yeah,
braking. The fucking brakes
You
are shit.
really had to press
Yes,
down on that
yes.
pedal to fucking stop.
Yeah.
Where in my car, it's like you hit the brakes, you're fucking nosediving because
Yes,
it fucking
100%.
stops. So I would say the brakes on that bitch, way different.
Way
Power
better
is
on
insane
Polaris.
though, dude. When that motherfucker takes off, it's fucking gone.
So suspension good.
Suspension was
Speed,
good.
speed amazing.
Speed
So
amazing.
you'll agree that you have to learn to drive that car.
It is different with the transmission.
Shifting gears and the turbo
Wait till you get- Wait
combined.
till you drive it with the E85.
I don't want to drive it with the 8.
Now,
No, I'm
my
It has the low end power, like it's just immediate.
my
It's like,
biggest
holy-
plus on this car is it is glued to the sand. It is glued.
I would say it's like a race car.
Yeah,
So my
it is.
Can-Am, you sit low, and it's like you feel like you're owning the dunes.
Yeah,
With that, you feel like you're on top of shit.
Yeah.
Which is
tippier.
it's yeah.
That
So you
thing
kinda
feels
let off a little
planted
bit more.
like it's magnetic to the sand.
I'm a pussy. I don't want to roll.
I drove Sandman's car last, his Pro Seat or his 4-seat Pro R, and I went a little slow. They said I was driving fast, but that thing I just felt like I was driving a huge bus, big, tippy, just because I was just so used to my car. But getting in this thing, same thing, felt the same way, but I pushed it a little harder, and I could have pushed
because
it
it's not
a
his
little-
car.
Yeah, exactly. and I could have pushed it a lot harder because
Okay.
it's not
Okay.
not my car. I didn't.
You got anything else to add?
Well,
That's it.
that's a review between the Pro R,
Okay.
the Can-Am, the
Nice.
2-seater, the 4-seater, the
2022, 32.5 miles. Okay. Jimmy bought this from some guy. 2024, 1,500 miles. 2024, 1,100 miles. And then we got 2024 Frankenstein.
It's Arizona miles because he drives that shit on the street. So there's no, you can't count that shit.
Facebook miles.
Facebook miles.
Yeah, they were easy miles.
Yes.
Tell you what, I don't know if I want to drive.
All right.
I don't know if I want to drive.
Later, folks. All right, we got some
Before you fuckers talk
explanations here.
This is not a cheap motherfucker running the stalkers, okay?
I was on my way back to the hood, buy them 20s. I mean them 10s, they 10s. But I keep them clean.
The reason why I got the stalkers on is because our last trip, we broke the lower A-arm, or the lower ball joint. We had to replace it, and I'm waiting for Packer to send me a new fucking drum.
There we go.
Hub.
Hashtag Packer.
Yeah, let's go. Send me that shit.
Yeah, shout out to Packer.
I haven't got it yet, so we're still out here rolling the stalkers, and I'm getting everywhere, so don't talk shit. That's all I gotta say. Thank you. All right, we're here at the end of the sand drags, but the end of Gecko Road. Close up here, good little break. This place down here has one of the best carne asada burritos. It's called the Gecko Burrito. You guys should try it. Not too expensive, but really good. Pretty dead out here. No one's getting their shit fixed, which is a good thing, right? No one's shit's broken. So, anyways, we're down here waiting for our food. Good shit. Try it out. Patrick!
Picture of the fireball.
Who's cleaning the shit off the table? Whose table is this?
I did.
Apple.
Hey,
Apple.
you know I'll fucking
All right.
watch that shit.
Hey, we're leaving.
Hey,
Hold on, get the baby in here.
Wash 17.
Get the baby in here.
Wash. Hey, this is Renee's camp. We're here at Wash 17. We're about to do a fucking shots. Sorry, kids who don't cuss, but we're cussing right now. All right, hey, we got more.
Get over here.
Atta girl.
Where did my wife go? Oh, there. Shut your eyes.
All right, here we go. Salute. Wash 17.
Sita?
Wash 17. Thank you, boys.
Hey, we got a midget.
Midget.
We gotta wait for the midget.
There he is. That's the midget.
He brought his
I don't know how
1962
to
lantern.
say
Are you an Indian or a cowboy?
right.
Austin! Get the fuck over here. Hold on, we got Austin. I'll give you all day to quit that. I'll give you 2 seconds.
All right. Hey, salute. Cheers, Wash 17. Thank you, Renee.
Cheers, boners.
Cheers. Salute. Hey, we're talking pee-pee tent fold up here. Here we go. Let's see the girls do it. Pee-pee tent fold up. We're double attacking. Double attack. They ain't got it. Watch my video. No. No. Hey, say uncle. All right. Hey, uncle. Uncle. Hey, uncle. What? Watch the daddy. Watch daddy do it. Hey, like this. Hold on. I don't like that. I don't like that. Right here.
Let me get it.
I don't know if it's gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Fresh out the kitchen, mama rolling that body, got every man in your wishing. Sipping on coconut, I'm like the water drum. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm about to have me some fun.
It's not gonna work. I can do it better. I really can.
Hey, really? That's it, you're fucked up.
Oh, there it is. That's it. That's it. Do it again. Let me focus, dude.
It's a wheelie bomb. We need the E85. The E85.
Hey, this one, he's stupid, dude. That's all I gotta say. Look at this motherfucker with this responsive bumper, dude. It looks like he has a big old muff daddy, dude. Little muff daddy. Oh, muff daddy, what is that? What the fuck is that? With this little fucking responsive fucking panza, dude. What is that? Holy! Oh, he's this afro, dude. He fucking got us with this responsive panza. Hey.
Hey, your dog.
We're talking. Look at that fucking thing.
Loves the soup.
Good ass shit. Responsive panza. Travis, what did mom tell you as a little kid? Don't piss in the wind. Don't be walking away, dude. Don't piss in the wind because that happens. It's another public safety announcement right now, dude. Just life. Goggle man. Goggle man.
Allie wins.
Look at the passenger princess over there. She's all nestled up. Don't want to get out of the car. All right, we're gonna weather the storm here. Got set up, car covered. We got easy ups. Nick's got the setup. He's also got the garage, so we can go in there.
Some of us have garages.
Yeah, Nick just puts his shit away in the garage. Got the good setup. Watch Travis put this easy up over his car. JIC. There we go. Alright. This is all the water that's coming towards our camp right now. Oh. It's coming down pretty good. I mean, look how beautiful it is right now. There is no... Look at that light off the water. Yeah, it's like we're at the river right now. There you go. Yeah, there's rain clouds out there, and it kind of feels like it's coming this way, but this is all coming off the desert. You got icebergs. Look, mini icebergs. Fucking dirty ass water.
To the beach, top down, loud sound, see my piece. Give them pounds now, look who it be. It be me, and Timothy. Look like it's about to rain, what a shame. I got the armor or the shine up the same. Old Missy, try to maintain. I can't stand the rain. I can't stand the rain. It's my window. I can't stand the rain. It's my window. I can't stand the rain. It's my window. I can't stand the rain. I feel the wind. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10. Begin. I sit on heels like Lauren until the rain starts coming down, pouring. Chill. I got my umbrella. My finger waves these days. They fall like Humpty, Chumpy. I break up with him before he dump. To have me, yes, you lucky. It's my window. I can't stand the 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 I can't stand the I can't stand the I can't stand the rain.